Ladies and gentlemen, I am Kush Kalra. I am a final year law student from Rajiv Gandhi National University of Law, doing my undergraduate specialization in human rights. I am also the chapter coordinator for Youth for Human Rights India Trust, and my job is to spread human rights awareness in schools and organizations across India. Till date, I have covered more than 60 schools and organizations across India, and my basic job is to aware people regarding the 30 human rights which are enshrined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. As a part of my policy, I go to the schools and give them handouts, and sometimes I screen a film regarding the human rights. As a future plan, I am writing to the government concerned to make human rights a compulsory subject in schools and organizations and colleges across India, so that people should know about their human rights, and when there is a violation they must know the proper authority to approach. As a vision for my India and for the whole world, I wish to see all peace everywhere in every nook and corner, and for this, that is why I am spreading human rights awareness so that there is no violation. I faced a lot of difficulties when I started this initiative in 2009, as the schools and organization, they were not at all cooperative and they rejected my proposal. But slowly and gradually, I convinced them. So I do feel that by this initiative, I have at least covered 5,000 youths, and they have come to know about their human rights, and they know the proper authorities in case if there is human rights violation. In the last, I would like to quote APJ Abdul Kalam, our missile man of India, and I quote, "Where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the hope. When there is harmony in the hope, there is order in the nation, and when there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world." Thank you.